In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app you wanna use in this view and accessing it in the background, like that. Now, when you're ready, hold it. And when you see this pop-up, tap on floating window between lock and split screen. So when I tap, as you can see, my app is now opened in this city window. To move it around, click on it, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. You can also reshape it the same way. Now, if you wanna see more options of floating window, you need to click on it again, and this time tap on those three dots at the top. When you see all of those options, click on this one on the right to minimize your app. And this way, when you go back into the background, you can click on it here and it will still be opened as a floating window. You can do exactly the same by tapping on Home button. By clicking on this icon, you will switch from floating window to split screen. To do that, tap on it and select the second app you wanna use in split screen view. Now enjoy using both at once. If you wanna go back to floating window, hold this line in the middle and drag it to the side. Then go into background apps and open your app as a floating window again. If you wish, you can also use it in full screen view instantly by this time clicking on this icon on the left. In order to close your window completely, just tap on Home button and swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!